So, how do you see this verdict? It came out as a good victory. Some of them are looking at it as a partial victory. Some of them are looking at as a really good verdict that has come out in favor of the citizens. So, how do you see this as a person who represented several of the petitioners there in the Supreme Court?
See, for the interveners and the petitioners that I had argued, we had really not asked for the entire Aadhaar architecture to be junked, but we had really asked for modulation such that the venomous part of the Aadhaar architecture should be cut off. And in particular, for example, I'll take the example of mobile phones. Aadhaar being linked to mobile phones and bank accounts. We had argued that this really cannot be a scenario where, in the name of identity for the country and for the citizens or the residents, you can't really have Aadhaar linkage to private operators who are providing mobile telephony services. I think the Supreme Court has done very well in ensuring that the banks and mobile phone linkages of the Aadhaar are really eroding into the core fundamental rights of citizens in terms of both right to privacy, seclusion, etc., etc. And therefore, it has been held to be unconstitutional, which necessarily means that if you have linked your Aadhaar card to mobile phone service providers or bank accounts, etc., that linkage is unconstitutional. There must be a methodology arrived at now by which these Aadhaar databases that these banks or mobile phones have collected must be destroyed, and there will be no question of your Aadhaar linkage to mobile phones, necessarily leading to the fact that the fear that there will be surveillance by the state based on where your mobile phone is because it is linked to Aadhaar, that entire fear also vanishes, which I think is a great balance between the priorities of the nation, interests of the state on the one hand, and the fundamental rights of the citizens on the other.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Yeah.